On the Clusters tab, you can organize printers in groups that have something in common, allowing you to create print queues for each cluster. One example of cluster usage is to group printers by their loaded material. This way, you will save time by skipping the unload and load filament process. To create a cluster, click on the Create Cluster button and name it. You can also add a longer description that will be shown on mouse over. Next, pick one or more printers for this cluster. Each printer can be in more than one cluster. Click on a cluster to go into that cluster's menu. On the left side, you can see a list of prints that have been added to the cluster and are pending to print. You can reorder the queue and add notes to the print jobs. On the Finish tab, you can find finished print jobs and return them to the queue if necessary. On the right side, you can find all the online printers that are available in this cluster and its current state. You can also add or remove printers to this cluster from the Manage Devices button. If a printer is ready to print, you can send the next file with the Print Next File button.